Want that perfect sunrise or sunset shot? I'm Claire, and this is OM Snapshots. Tip 1, arrive early. Sometimes the best colours are before the sun comes up or after the sun goes down. Tip number 2, expose for the sky, not the foreground. This will protect your highlights. Tip number 3, don't just shoot the sky. Add rocks, people, trees. This will give your image depth and scale. Tip number 4, sunrises and sunsets are perfect for silhouettes. So place your subject in front of the bright sky. Instant drama. And finally, clouds are your best friend. A completely clear sky can look boring. Clouds add some nice texture and color to your images. Most people pack up too early. Don't be that person. Stay 20 minutes longer. You won't regret it. So next time you head out for sunrise or sunset, remember, arrive early, expose for the sky, use your foregrounds for silhouettes, and pray for some cloud. See you next time.